feel like I know where things need to go. I'm comfortable there. You know, some houses you feel like you have to make a lot of changes to be comfortable in. I don't feel like that at all. My name is Saralynn Sadorra, and I live in the Nichols Creek. Well, I really like using a list to check off what houses had what I wanted, and I'd say in the house I found, it was a no-brainer. The backyard was a big deal to me because I have 2 puppies that are my life, so I wanted them to have a decent backyard that felt safe and not congested, so they have that. I really wanted color in the house, not just blank white walls, so I loved that this house already came with like a really nice teal color throughout the house, and flooring was another big thing. So really just kind of some of the aesthetics of the house really drew me to it. But I did have one just very minor issue right away within a couple of weeks, and I called them, and within a few hours actually they had somebody out there and taking care of it. So that was heartwarming to know that if there was an issue it could be handled quickly, and I have no complaints about that. I knew that this home was coming with security, the storm shelter, blinds, an outdoor fireplace. Like, those are some things that were all nice to haves, but I already knew I'd probably have to put them in myself, and this home came with it, so I was like, well, I don't have to worry about that. So it was just great, and I'm already like thinking about my next house and making sure that likely I will want another Tabor home, just, you know, the next level of it.